I am carrying water and soap today. Bath time for the cow.
Old MacDonald.
I am filling the tub with warm water. Here comes my cow, happy and calm. Well, hello there, my beautiful cow. I pour warm water on her back.
Swishing her tail, she loves to talk. She stepped into
I scrub her gently with the sponge.
EIEIO, bath time is finally here.
I wash her face very carefully.
Poured warm water on her back, bubbles forming stack by
Look at all the
stack.
fluffy
Scrub her
bubbles.
gently, soft and slow. EIEIO, watch the
Rinse off all the soap now.
We washed her face so soft and light. She closed her
She
eyes
wiggles
and
because the
felt
water
just like
tickles.
the water tickled. She gave a
That
wiggle.
tickles, silly cow.
EIEIO,
I clean her
the
legs
Old
and hooves, too.
MacDonald giggle. He cleaned her legs
I
and
dry her
cleaned
with
her
a big,
hooves.
soft
Every
towel.
little step she moves and rinse the soap with water clear. EIEIO, a rainbow did
Look how clean and shiny she is.
Now
She
she's
wiggles
clean
because
and
the water
shiny
tickles.
bright, standing in the
That
warm
tickles,
sunlight.
silly
He
cow.
dried her
I
off
clean
with a
her
fluffy
legs and
towel.
hooves, too.
EIEIO, no more bubbles, no more foul.
Rinse off all the soap now.
She shook herself with a happy shake, water flying, no mistake. Old MacDonald laughed with glee. EIEIO,
Look how clean and
the
shiny she is.
happiest cow
I dry her with a
was.
big, soft towel.
He gave his cow a great big hug, wrapped her
She
tight
shakes
so
off the
warm
last
and
drops
snug.
of
She
water.
ran off happy to the
Whoa,
sea.
you got me.
EIEIO, what a joyful
I give her a
day.
gentle hug.
Now she runs off happy and clean.